Greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to introduce these two decoder to you. These two machines, usually we use it to decoding on plastic board bags like this, and some papers, some cardboard box. And if you want to, it's decoding with colorfuls like this. There's many color selection like gold color, red color, black, white. You can select them at our stores. And it also can take off the foil paper and decoding on letters, but without any colors on it. This one, you can adjust the height by these buttons. Max is 3.5 centimeters. You can just adjust here. If your material is higher, then adjust these buttons to make it higher. But max is 3.5 centimeters. And this one, the alphabet holders is like this. Each machine contains a box of alphabet and numbers, and it's changed. Also the symbols and blank letters, like put it on like this and fix this screw by the Allen keys. It's put onto the holders. It's in this way. You put it on and press it, turn it to lock it. It's not moving. And when you use it, just press the on buttons, turn the temperature to the highest and preheating for 2 minutes. After that, if you are using for the bags, plastic bags, just turn the temperature to 1.21. This machine is the same as this one, but the head can adjust to this one. It's like this. You can adjust to 13 centimeters, 13. Like this. If you are using for the box, then you can select this one. Now I'll show you how it works on the plastic bags. See? It's very nicely, clearly. This color can be changed. And letters, you can just put the things you want and select them on this alphabet set. That's all. Thank you for watching.